Okay, so I'm sitting here editing this video and I realized that I forgot to do an intro. I was gonna do it at the end when I had all my makeup done, but here's the intro. I'm doing a get ready with me slash ramble video, I guess. I'm just gonna be talking about random shit, and I hope you're okay with that. So let's get started. So I usually start with my brows when I do my makeup, and I'm using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown, and brows are pretty much self-explanatory. I don't think I really need to go into depth to them, so I'll just go ahead and do my brows. So I don't know about you guys, but I start school in about two or 3 weeks. I honestly want to start school already. So I'm currently unemployed, so I don't have like a routine, wake up, get ready for work, pack my lunch, all that jazz. I've honestly just been like sitting at home playing The Sims, which is great for me because I don't have to do shit. I'm getting unemployment money. Not yet though. That's another story. When you're unemployed, sorry if you can hear my fan, it's literally going buck wild. So when you're unemployed, you have to file like a work search every week. What that entails is that you basically have to find a job or like apply for jobs, whether you like it or not, or else you're not gonna get your unemployment money. I applied to Petco. Like I thought I had that in the bag. I really wanted to work at Petco for some reason, not for like a permanent job, just like a side job, you know? Yeah, but they denied me. They had me take this really long test. It felt like the SAT. I'm gonna finish my brows because I've been talking with the one eyebrow on this whole time and it's like annoying me. So I'm gonna finish my brows and I'll continue the story. So I finished aligning my brows. And now I'm gonna go in with the Glossier Stretch Concealer in the shade G7, and I'm just going to conceal under my eyebrows just to clean it up a little bit and look a little bit more put together. Now I'm going to clean up the concealer with a heat tip. Just blend it in just so I can be a little bit more precise. Anyways, I don't know where I can left off in my story, but I think it was a Petco test thing. Anyways, they made me take this assessment test upon applying. Bitch, that just felt like the SAT. Like, I'm not even joking. It was low-key hard. I don't know. Like, what? Like, I'm applying to be like a sales associate or like a cash register like person. Do I really need those math skills? Like, do I need to fill in the blanks? Like, I know how to count money, I know how to count cash, I know how to add, and I know how to subtract. Sometimes divide. I don't know about multiplication though. But yeah, like, it's not that serious. Anyways, I really wanted to work at Petco so I could see dogs every day and see the birds and the fish and kittens that I would be able to adopt theoretically. Yeah, I was low-key pumped. I thought I had it in a bag, or maybe, I don't know, maybe I'm just not qualified enough because, I mean, I've grown up with pets. I grew up with dogs. I don't know how to take care of a dog because I was like 5 years old. I'm gonna have a cat. And I've had him for not even a year yet. I don't know if I'm qualified to work at Petco, but I really wanted to so I could see the pets every day. I'm gonna continue concealing my other brow and blending out this brow, and I will come back. So my eyebrows don't look the best today. Let's ignore that. So I finished concealing them, and you would think I would set them right now, but no, that's not how I do my makeup. I set my brows at the very end because, like, when I do my mascara, I lift my eyebrows like that, and it'll mess up the hold, I guess. That's what I like to think. So that's my very last step, and I don't know, I like the finishing step because my brows are like everything to me. So when they're all nice, brushed up and bushy, it just completes the look. So next I'm going to do my mascara. I'm gonna use this old ass MAC eyelash curler and the Glossier Lash Lick, the love of my life, the most amazing mascara I've ever tried. I used to hate this mascara actually. I was very into the lengthening, volumizing, mascaras. Honestly, drugstore mascaras are really good. Some of them might be better than this, but I'm more into the like natural eyelash. And this mascara gives me that, and I love it. So I'm gonna do my eyelashes. If anyone's wondering where I'm going, what I'm getting ready for, I'm going to Ralph's. I need some vegan meat alternatives for food because I'm starving. I live in a non-vegan household. I'm not vegan, I'm pescatarian. So I'm just gonna buy like Morningstar and Guardian alternatives. Hopefully they have it at Ralph's. I don't know. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go grocery shopping basically. Not that anyone asked, but let's talk about YouTubers. So right now I'm really obsessed with this YouTuber. Her name is Sarah. Her channel is Sincerely Sarah C. I'll put it down below. I love her like vibe. She's very ethereal, very like au natural like type of vibe, and I love that. And her videos are really relaxing to get ready to, like in between me not talking. That's what I'm watching on YouTube. I don't know if anyone's noticed, but throughout this whole video you could see Sarah, the YouTuber that I'm talking about. You can see her reflection on my Sephora mirror. Yeah, so if you've been wondering who you've been seeing this whole time, it's Sarah. Hate to break it to you, it's not a ghost. Right now I'm watching her how I did my makeup in high school video, which is making me have PTSD of how I did my makeup in high school. I've really been liking her, and I love her humor, I love her personality. I mean, I would say we would be good friends if, you know, I lived on the East Coast. I do not, I live in California. That was the pointless friend. Anyways, I really like the YouTuber Sincerely Sarah C. Not that anyone asked. Okay, like I said, I'm watching Sincerely Sarah C and her like how I did my makeup in high school, and I'm just reflecting on how I did my makeup in high school versus now. Like, it's so different. Right now I'm more like the natural no makeup kind of look. But compared to like how I did my makeup in high school, I used to wear like foundation like every day, and then I got acne really bad and I stopped. I used to have really bad acne and it was very traumatizing, but it was very formative in my formative years of life. It was very humbling. Thank God I didn't have clear skin my entire life, because I think it really builds character. Finished doing my mascara. Now I'm gonna go back in my concealer and I'm going to conceal any parts of my face where I think I need concealing, definitely under my eyes. So I just literally take my finger and like dip it in. I don't use a sponge or like a brush or anything. I feel traumatized from like makeup brushes because I don't know, I feel like even after washing those like brushes, I feel like they'll break me out for some reason. I don't know. I feel like powders makeup will make you break out for some reason. I'm just traumatized from when I had really bad acne. Anyways, in high school I had terrible acne and it was very humbling. Like I said, it was all over my cheeks. I still have the scars from it. I don't know if you can see. Still have the scars from like all the acne I had when I was in high school. You can definitely see it. From afar it looks fine. So I'm going to be in third year French this fall semester, and I'm very terrified because I still speak like a toddler, and I feel like their little French would be like intermediate, close to fluent level. My French is really good in France, not to toot my own horn or anything. Being surrounded in people speaking that language, it's very easy to immerse yourself, and a lot of the times I observed conversations. So I'm going into the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, only a little bit right under my eyes because I feel like I look a little too shiny. Yeah, my French was really good when I was in France, and I think that I really thrived with the language while I was in there, and as soon as I got back I lost it all. Right now I'm like doing Duolingo practice. I don't know, I feel some type of way about Duolingo on the forefront that yes, I'm learning, but I'm not writing anything down. I mean, I can, like, I know everything, but it's like the same thing as like a multiple choice test. I don't know, I feel like it's too easy, and I might be like relearning some things, but I'm not really applying it in my brain. So I'm gonna have the same teacher as I did last semester, and although I passed last semester, I definitely did not try as hard as I could have and should have. But hopefully I'll redeem myself this year. I'm gonna be that bitch that makes her tripped hair is her whole personality. Sorry about it. No, I'm just going to go in with the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheeks. I used to be a major blush hater because like I said, I had acne on my cheeks, so I had perpetual redness, and I did not see the point in there being blush on my cheeks, which just added to the redness. It was not good for my ego, and it was not happening for me. But now I love it. Summer vibes, and I'm really glad that I finally got the cloud paint after like months of wanting it because it looks really nice and natural. Like, this is exactly the blush that I like. Like I said, I'm not really fond of powdered products anymore, just because I feel like it clogs my pores. So this is absolutely perfect because it's sheer, and I could sheer it out enough that it looks extremely natural. Like, it looks like this is just my natural blush. Okay, yeah, so that looks great. That's it. I think right now I'm going to do my eyebrows now, or set my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with a Glossier Boy Brow in black and just set these boys to the gods. What I like to do, I used to like go in with this thing, but since my eyebrows are already kind of dark and kind of bold, I just like to, this is like the furthest in that I like to go to maintain like the gradient effect, and I just like to brush these boys up. There you go. See, I just feel like it finishes the look. I don't know why I always make my eyebrows way too thick every day, and I swear I make them thinner every day. That's why I conceal them. I don't know. Maybe I just need to get them threaded so like they'll be thinner, but I don't know. Unintentionally, I did a one brand tutorial kind of today. I don't know. I just love Glossier and all their products, and I feel like they match my aesthetic makeup wise and everything wise. So that's why I love their makeup products. I think I might go in with the Generation G and top it with a little bit of the Glossier lip gloss. I love this color. I love the Generation G's, but the smell, sorry, but the smell, sis, the smell of these, they smell like rose. If you're into that, I'm all for it, but when I accidentally taste these on my lips, it's over for me. Like, I go to the grave, like I rise to heaven. I hate the taste, I don't like the smell, but I love the color, so I'm gonna risk it all. So I'm gonna apply this. So this color didn't make that much of a difference, but it's like my lips but better, you know. So I'm gonna go in with the Glossier lip gloss. I'm just gonna put that in the center of my lips. Alright, so thank you so much for sitting down with me and watching me ramble and watching me do my makeup. I thoroughly enjoyed just ranting, and I hope you guys did too. So I'll see you in my next video if there is one. Alright, so I decided I'm going to show you guys my outfit. I'll start with accessories. My earrings are from Topshop. My necklace was passed down to me. Let's go down to this mirror. My top is thrifted. My cardigan is thrifted. I know it's summer. Listen, but I get really cold and I'm going to Ralph's and it's always cold in there. My little tote bag I got in Paris, and my jeans are just some straight leg jeans from Topshop. I would show you, they're frayed at the bottom, but my floor is filled with cat toys and cardboard bits from my cat scratcher. But yeah, I'm gonna go grocery shopping now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it was entertaining, even remotely. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.